Hello, my name is George, and this is my passion project for college and career. What I am doing today is changing the battery and screen of the Acer Spin 511, also known as model C741LT, C741L. The difference between the C741L and the C741LT is that the T means touch. That means it's a touch screen, which means they're different models. So be careful about that when ordering a replacement or finding one. The reason for making this video is to help students financially be practical, because stuff's getting really expensive nowadays and electronics shouldn't occupy most of your budget as a student. But electronic devices are becoming more and more necessary for your education. So if you're around the age of 11, you can probably change the screen and battery, but it takes practice. So I recommend only changing the battery and screen if the Chromebook battery or screen died already. Several disclaimers here, like the battery needs to be disposed properly and properly handled, and also read your district and organization rules, because you might be liable for damages for tampering with the device. The reason why I love doing this is because I saved my old iPad with old photos and deleted games when I replaced the battery, and I felt pretty good after that. And I decided to help students become more practical and more handy when working with electronics, so that's cool. Doing this also helps the environment as well, because electronic devices and batteries are toxic and could put heavy metals into the ground, which is really bad for the environment. The IB profiles that would represent this project would be awareness, like doing good for the environment by reducing e-waste produced, and also helping students become more practical. And also it would be risk-taking, because there's big consequences to not performing the repair properly. The underlying message is helping the environment through more practical ways than compromising your own quality of life. Without further ado, let's start the video. As you see in the back, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws. After removing all the screws, you just pry off the edges of the lid gently. I recommend doing it from the corner first, and then working your way towards each edge. You do not need a pick like me, and you could just use your fingers. As you see here, the battery is AP18C4K, and the battery here is also AP18C4K. Over here, you want to pull the edges of the white part of the pin. Just pull the battery out after you remove the cable. Obtain your new battery and place it in the pins, or you could plug in the cable before you align it with the pins. You just put it back on. The video was pretty bad, so here's actually what I was talking about in that clip. So you want to get something and then try to pry the edges off, or you could just use your fingernails like that. There are 4 screws on the corner where I'm pointing with the screwdriver. Since the recording was really bad, here's how you unscrew the screen from your computer. Go locate the 4 screws earlier and remove them. And then lift up the screen gently, as there's the screen cable right there. Right there is the cable to the screen. What you want to do is lift the latch and pull on the wire gently to remove the screen from the cable. Once you get your new screen, go align the gold cable part with the new one and just slide it underneath where it was. And once it is in, you secure it and put the sticker back on. Screw it back in afterwards. You're done, and align it properly so the screws go in. Afterwards, just press the cover back on and then you would be done. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe please.
Bamboo basket, reflector, working brakes, never forget your